Okay guys, we will finish 6.2 here and jump into 6.3. The first application we'll do is finding the equation of the parabola going through the given 3 points. So most people seem to know that it only takes 2 points to make a line, a unique line between them. What they don't know is for a parabola, you only need 3 points. And that's because the parabola is y equals ax squared plus bx plus c. So the only 3 variables for a parabola in this form are a, b, and c. So once you have 3 points, you can make 3 equations by plugging in x and y to get unique equations for a, b, and c. Let's see what that looks like. I plug in 2 for x, I'm supposed to get 4 for y. So we get 4 equals 2 squared. So a times 2 squared plus b times 2 plus c, which is the equation 4a plus 2b plus c, which is an equation. That's 1. Do the same thing for -1 and 1. 1 equals a times -1 squared plus b times -1 plus c. So that's 1 equals, -1 squared is 1, so a minus b plus c. And then lastly for -2, 5, you have 5 equals a times -2 squared plus b times -2 plus c, namely, so 5 equals 4a minus 2b plus c. Now, the good news here is that your c is always going to be a single term because it's a constant, which means it's really easy to combine to solve these problems. I'm going to call this 2, 1, 2, and 3. So I'm going to take -1 times equation 2. So that would be -1 equals -a plus b minus c, and add it to 1, which is 4 equals 4a plus 2b plus c, to get 3 equals 3a plus 3b, which reduces to 1 equals a plus b, which I'll call 4. Do the same thing, -1 times equation 2. And now I'm going to add it to equation 3 that I got, which is 5 equals 4a minus 2b plus c, to get 4 equals 3a minus b. Now thankfully, b and -b line up really nicely with each other right now, so I just take 4 plus 5. I get 5 equals 4a, which means a is 5 over 4 by dividing by 4. Now what can we do with this? I can plug back in to get b. I know 1 equals 5/4 plus b. Subtract the 5/4. Get -1/4 equals b. We can plug back in to find c. So any of the original equations here, I'm going to pick 1 equals a minus b plus c. It's the easiest. So 1 equals 5/4 minus -1/4 plus c. So that's 1 equals, that's 6/4, which is 3/2, plus c. Subtract 3/2, you get c is, looks like -1/2. And of course you can check to make sure that those work in other equations. 4 times 5/4 is 5. 5 minus 2 times -1/4, so 5 plus 1/2 minus 1/2 is 5. So you can check the other one as well. So what does that mean? This means that the parabola is the equation y equals a goes before x squared, 5/4 x squared. B goes before x, minus 1/4 x minus 1/2. So this is the equation of the parabola that goes through those 3 points. It is the only one that goes through those 3 points. And there's another one of these on here for you to do, but we'll go ahead and jump into 6.3, which is word problems using systems of equations. Nothing new content-wise, just equations. So a rent-a-truck company is buying new vans, small trucks, and large trucks. Each van costs $25,000, small truck costs $30,000, and large truck costs $40,000. The company needs twice as many vans as small trucks and wants to spend $5 million, but only needs 175 vehicles. How many of each kind should it buy? So I'm going to label vans X, small trucks Y, and large trucks Z. So now X plus Y plus Z, the total of the number of vehicles is 175. I know the cost total. That's 25,000 X plus 30,000 Y plus 40,000 Z equals 5 million, which I'm going to reduce first by 3 zeros, 25x plus 30y plus 40z equals 5,000. But furthermore, I can divide all of those by 5. 5x plus 6y plus 8z equals 1,000. Much easier to work with. Okay, so I have two equations. My third one comes from this relationship. The company needs twice as many vans as small trucks. That means X is twice as big as Y. So X equals 2Y. If I want that in standard form, that's X minus 2Y equals 0. And from here, I've got three equations and three variables. It's about combining them. This equation already is in terms of X and Y, which means I would like to combine 1 and 2 to get rid of Z so that I have another equation in terms of X and Y. So to do that, I'm going to take negative 8, to cancel out the positive 8, times equation 1 to get negative 8x minus 8y minus 8z equals negative 8 times 175 should be negative 1,400. To combine with the 5x, equation 2, plus 6y plus 8z equals 1,000 to get negative 3x minus 2y equals negative 400. This is easy to combine. If I make it positive, 3x plus 2y equals 400. I can combine it directly with the x minus 2y, equals 4. So when I do 3, just x minus 2y equals 0, plus 4, 3x plus 2y equals 400, I get 4x equals 400, which means x is 100. Okay, so that means, we'll talk about what that means in words, because of course word problems should have word solutions, but I can plug this back in. I know x equals 2y, so that means 100 equals 2y, which means y is 50. So 100x, 50y, I know lastly in equation 1, x plus y plus z is 175. 100 plus 50 plus z is 175. So 150 plus z is 175, so z is 25. What does this actually mean, though? It means they should buy 100 vans, 50 small trucks, and 25 large trucks. And that'll be all for this video, and we'll do some more word problems in the next video.